Confucius said, to promote a sense of morality, one must treat others with faithfulness, sincerity, based on righteousness, and to eliminate completely vicious thinking. Some of the commandments for cultivating moral culture is as under. Is it clear? To promote the sense of moral.
My name is Prakash Jaigari. I'm second and black belt. यहाँ पे जो ब्लैक बेल्ट सेमिनार हो रहा है ब्लैक बेल्ट फिजिकल एंड टेक्निकल सेमिनार जो हो रहा है इंडिया से काफ़ी जगह से आए हुए हैं. अभी दिसंबर में हम नेशनल चैम्पियनशिप कर रहे हैं. बहुत बड़ा इवेंट होने वाला है. हमने सीएम से बात की है, स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर से बात किया है. उसके लिए उन्होंने भी दे दिया हमें परमिशन. पेडिंग में मापसा में होने वाला है. ये हमारे गोवा के हमारे कोच है, पहले जो गोवा के फाउंडर ऑफ ताइक्वांडो है.
Good morning everyone. My name is Prithvi. When I was in Goa, 13 years I spent here. A lot of hard work journey. Then finally I found a good student like Prakash. And there is some of students are there, not with the contact. Maybe they are doing some other martial arts. Normally, today we are here is like contacted by Goa Taekwondo Federation, Mr. Prakash. We have a 7 black belt in instructors course, national instructor course, seminar, and as well as physical training also. And wish you good luck. And coming December month, we have a Taekwondo Championship in Goa, organizing by Goa Taekwondo Federation and Mr. Prakash. So I'll wish you all the best him for futures.
This is 1 day seminar. How many days?
This is 3 day seminar. 1 day international instructor course, course, and physical training.
What is the purpose of this seminar?
Seminar is like all over India we have like 1,000 of black belt, and all 1,000 of instructors. They want to be upgrade new techniques. Whatever is Taekwondo is like a scientific motion. So we have to whenever they like research for the new techniques. So all of our grandmasters goes for every country and they will upgrade the technique. So they will teach us.